Hello and welcome back. In this video I will share you how to checkout page track for your e-commerce site. Okay, so let's go. First of all, I'm going to my Google Ads account now. Okay, so after Google Ads account I'm going to create a goal option and trying to create a new one. So I just hide this one and I'm going to create a new conversion. Okay, so click create a new conversion action, then select website, then write your website address, and paste and scan please. Okay, so after scanning you will get new interface. So here you can see add conversion action manually. Just click this one, select category, begin checkout. Okay, then conversion name checkout, check out. Okay, and use different value for each conversion. Okay, every and Google tag. Okay, done. Then please click the save option. After save option, here you can see Google Tag Manager. Okay, so first of all copy this conversion ID. So click new tag option and click new tag option and write here begin checkout page, checkout page tracking Google Ads. Okay, then select Google Ad, Google Ad conversion tracking, paste conversion ID, then paste conversion label. Okay, so this is the conversion label and conversion value, DLB value and currency, conversion currency. Okay, now save this one. Okay, save tag. Okay, now we need to create a trigger row. So before we need to create a trigger, so first of all to create a trigger we need to go preview mode. Okay, so just try to go the preview mode and connect and finally go checkout page. Okay, so I'm going to checkout page. So this is the checkout page. Okay, so here you can see checkout, view item, begin checkout. Okay, So here you can see event, custom event is begin checkout, and DLB value is $1,000. Just let me check. Here you can see 1,001 euro. Okay, that's perfect. So I am going to create a new trigger and begin checkout trigger. Just click this one and select custom event and paste this one and save this one. So I will connect again and check this is working or not. Okay, so just try to check this one. And go to the and check this one. Here you can see Google add to cart, but maybe this tag is not fired. We need to set up. Okay, so now this is the begin checkout page and we need to set up a tag first. Okay, so this is trigger. So checkout page tracking and triggering will be begin checkout, and finally save this one. Okay, now we need to connect Google Tag Manager again. Okay, and I'm checking this option. And go to the, here you can see add to cart checkout page tracking Google Ads. So just go to the checkout page and here you can see checkout page is tracking, tag is fired. Okay, here you can see checkout page is already fired. So in this way conversion value DLC currency. Okay, in this way you can set up and tracking checkout page very easily. In the next video I will show you how to track a purchase. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.